fuck yeah.
Bollocks.
You all know what time it is? So I've seen a lot of videos lately to do with burping on my For You page, and I'm like, I'm going to be one of those people, so here we are. Oh, hurts. Oh, fuck. Shit. I can feel it coming. Oh. And now for the last bit. Thank you for watching.